starting with the 310 GS, let's get some glimpse of the Big Daddy, the great 1250 GS. To begin with, let's start with a cluster. This cluster loads a hell lot of information that one can imagine. That includes temperature, time, shift indicator, speedometer, RPM gauge, fuel gauge, riding mode. Next, if you go deeply into the options, you get my vehicle information, navigation, music, telephone settings. In settings, you can change everything that the console looks and all. And even you can pair your mobile device with this. Through the application, you can control almost all the features which are present on the TFT. And the reason why I am showing this TFT, as per the BMW people, they are working on a similar console for the 310 GS and 310R, and it might be rolling out in the next version of the bike, which might be 21, I guess. GS gets a 110 by 80 section tire at the front, 300 mm single disc, 41 mm USD, which are anodized plated in gold. 2020 GS gets quite a lot of updates on its design segment and the paint scheme. Now it is available in 3 colors. One is rally style, which you're seeing now. Another is polar white. The last one is 40 years GS edition, which is in a gold kind of a scheme. And this bike weighs about 175 kgs with the 220 mm ground clearance. I really like the way they painted the exposed chassis, and that looks spot on. There is no changes made in the engine. It's the same 310cc single cylinder liquid cooled fuel injected engine with the power figures of 34 HP, 28 Nm at 7500 RPM with a 6-speed gearbox. At the rear, it gets the monoshock with the 180 mm travel and 150 by 70 section tire, and it gets the tubular frame chassis. Rear, it gets the LED brake lights with all new indicator, which looks dope, and I think these are taken from the 1250 GS. It doesn't get the split seats, but the seat is very comfortable, I can say. 310 GS does not get the slipper clutch, but it gets the assist slipper clutch. That means the clutch will be lighter and it will be easy to ride in the city, and it gets the ride by wire. Quality and the fit and finish is top notch, and the paint quality feels super, but the tank is on the smaller side, which gets the 11 liters tank. It gets the basic cluster with all the basic information needed, and it gets a new LED at the front. So that's all about the 2020 310 GS, and my friend has already booked this bike, and stay tuned for the BMW 310 GS delivery very soon, and the waiting period for this bike will be around 1 month. So let's see when we'll get the bike, and I'll keep you guys updated on this, and next time I'm gonna post all the pricing with the color and all those things. So thanks for watching, guys. Please do subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much.